When you have an equation with fractions, one of the things you want to do is find the common denominator, multiply both sides of the equation by the common denominator, which will allow you to eliminate the denominators of both of your fractions. And then no more fractions. Okay, so the first thing you're going to look at is to see if you can factor any of your denominators. And I see that I can factor 2u plus 6 by common factoring out a 2. And that's going to leave me with u times the quantity of u plus 3. So 2 times the quantity of u plus 3. Okay, so you can see that your common denominator here is going to be a 2 and a u plus 3. So you're going to multiply both sides of your equation by 2 times quantity of u plus 3. Now, we only have one term over here on the left, so we can kind of simplify this. We can cancel out these u plus 3's, and we're going to get 2 times 7, which is 14. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and distribute this 2 times the quantity of u plus 3 times both of these values over here. So what you're left with is 1 over 2 times the quantity of u plus 3 times 2 times the quantity of u plus 3 over 1. And then our next value is going to be plus 4 times 2 to the u plus 3. Okay, so now that we've distributed, we can go ahead and simplify these values on the right. So we can see here that the 2's are going to, in this group, and can simplify those to 1's, and the u plus 3's the same thing. Okay, so what we're left with so far is 14 equals 1 plus, and then we're going to go ahead and multiply this 4 times 2 together, and that gives you an 8. So we'll take the 8 and we'll distribute through, and we're going to get 8u plus 24. Okay, so now what we have is an equation without any fractions, and this just looks like a regular equation. We'll kind of combine like terms over here. 1 plus 24 is 25. So we have 25 plus 8u equals 14. So we're going to go ahead and subtract 25 from both sides. Now when you do that, that's going to give you a negative 11. And divide both sides by 8. Now you need to make sure that this isn't one of your restricted values, and so you're looking at your denominators, and up here you have u plus 3 and u plus 3 is your factors. If you set either one of these equal to 0, you'll find out that if we took u plus 3 and said what value makes this denominator equal to 0, it would be a negative 3. So this is our value that u cannot equal, and that's not our solution. So this is, as long as our solution is not this restricted value, then we can have it as a solution.